What if I told you that you don't need an office, employees, or thousands of dollars to start an agency? You can begin with a laptop, a marketable skill, and a simple offer and potentially build your first recurring monthly income. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I would build an agency from $0, starting from scratch. Step 1. Pick one painful problem. Don't start an agency that does everything. That makes you forgettable. Choose one specific service that solves an expensive problem for a specific customer. For example, instead of saying, "We do digital marketing," say, "We help local dentists generate qualified leads through short-form content and paid advertising." The narrower the problem, the easier it becomes to explain your value. Step 2. Build an offer, not a menu. Your goal isn't to sell hours, sell an outcome. A simple offer could be 12 professionally edited short-form videos every month, optimized for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts for $2,500 a month. Now the prospect knows exactly what they're getting, how often they're getting it, and what it costs. And here's the important part: you don't need to perform every task yourself. You can initially handle strategy and client communication while using freelancers or contractors for specialized production. Step 3. Get your first proof. This is where beginners get stuck. They say, "I can't get clients because I don't have a portfolio." Create one. Pick a real business, analyze its marketing, and create a sample improvement. Make 3 example social posts, a sample ad, a redesigned landing page, or a short video. Then tell the business owner, "I noticed 3 opportunities where you could potentially improve your online presence. I created a sample to show you what I mean." You're no longer saying, "Please hire me." You're demonstrating value first. Step 4. Prospect every day. Forget waiting for clients to discover you. Build a simple prospecting routine. Find 20-30 businesses every weekday through LinkedIn, Google, Instagram, local directories, or industry websites. Look for companies that clearly have the problem you solve. Your message should be short. "Hi Sarah, I noticed your company is posting consistently, but your videos aren't being repurposed into short-form content. I put together 2 ideas specifically for your brand. Want me to send them over?" No giant sales pitch. Start a conversation. Step 5. Sell the retainer. Your first goal isn't 100 clients.